Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Tongue to Tummy. Today I am going to cook Methi Murgh. This is a very delicious non-veg platter. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this lip-smacking dish. So let's begin. A tangy chicken flavored with kasuri methi is an all-time favorite. First comes the marination of the chicken. For this I have taken a big bowl. Into this I am adding the curd, ginger paste, garlic paste and salt. Whisk the curd until smooth. When done, start adding the chicken pieces and blend this mixture perfectly. My mixing is ready now. I will marinate the chicken in this mixture for at least an hour and cover it with a lid and keep this aside. Heat around 5 tablespoons of oil. This dish requires a bit more oil, then goes into the onions. Cook on high flame. Keep stirring until the onions are golden brown. The onions have started changing the color. I will fry a minute more to give a crispiness to the onions. Now it's perfect and I'm adding half tablespoon of ginger paste, half tablespoon of garlic paste and blend it well. No need to worry about the foam. It's very normal because of the moisture in the food rises to evaporate, causing the air bubbles. Adding it to the tomatoes. Mix well. Add the green chilies chopped. Add haldi powder, coriander powder, chilli powder and again give a toss. Now I'm adding the marinated chicken and mix the masalas well with the chicken. We'll have to cook it for 12 minutes with the lid closed, stirring in between. Taking off the lid, the oil has started to separate. To this I am adding the leftover curd mix with some water. Add the garam masala for about half tablespoon and cook it again for some time. Covering the lid again and slow cook for about 5 minutes. Look at the gravy. The consistency is so perfect. At this point of time, I am adding the dried kasuri methi leaves. Kasuri methi is available pre-packed in all the provision stores. I will again slow cook it for another 2 minutes, reducing it to the low flame. Now it's done. The texture, the color is so perfect. You can serve this chicken with rotis or parathas for a satisfying meal.